आप देख रहे हैं वतन समाचार और मैं हूं मोहम्मद अहमद। दिल्ली के जामिया हमदर्द में ताबिज सरोश एंड एसोसिएट CCIFS जामिया हमदर्द और बिजनेस एम्प्लॉयमेंट ब्यूरो की जानिब से लगातार फॉरेंसिक साइंसेस को लेकर के वर्कशॉप जारी है, जिसमें होने वाली क्लासेस में बच्चों को फॉरेंसिक साइंसेस के अलग अलग पाठ पढ़ाए जाते हैं ताकि वो अपने आप को न सिर्फ तैयार कर सकें बल्कि फॉरेंसिक साइंसेस का जो खला है यानी जो कमी या जो खाई है उसको भी पाटा जा सके और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे इसके लिए तैयार हो सकें ताकि क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटीज़ को कम से कम किया जा सके और एक समय में इसको ख़त्म कर दिया जाए। इस पूरे मामले को लेकर के ताबिज सरोश एंड एसोसिएट की तरफ से जामिया हमदर्द में होने वाली क्लास में लाई डिटेक्शन, पोलियोग्राफी, ब्रेन मैपिंग, नार्को एनालिसिस और दूसरे कोर्सेज के बारे में जानकारी दी गई। इसमें यह भी बताया गया कि कैसे BP के जरिए से ये चेक कर लिया जाता है कि आदमी की कंडीशन क्या है, उसके अंदर क्या चल रहा है और क्या कुछ हुआ और छात्रों को इससे क्या फायदा हुआ। आइए देखते हैं सीधे जामिया हमदर्द से ये खास रिपोर्ट।
Today we had a session regarding forensic psychology, the investigative techniques and the patterns and behavioral patterns of criminals in a crime scene. So we had a wonderful session here at Jamia Hamdard. So it was an interactive session and we had quite a diverse group of students who are Indian students and international students, and yeah, I did enjoy taking this class. Thank you.
आपका नाम क्या है? ऋषभ। ओके, आप जामिया हमदर्द से हो?
नो, मैं 12th पास आउट हूँ 2023 का।
अच्छा, तो अभी आपका क्या करियर में आगे क्या करने का इरादा है?
साइकोलॉजी एंड लीगल।
अच्छा, साइकोलॉजी करना चाह रहे हो। तो आज आपको फर्स्ट सेशन था फॉरेंसिक साइंस का?
यस मैम।
कैसा रहा सेशन?
मैम सही था और जो परफॉर्मेंसेस थे वो मेरे को थोड़े से पता भी थे। बस मेरे को सीरियल किलर्स के बारे में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस थे क्योंकि सस्पिशंस होता है ना, क्योंकि अब जो हम TV पे देखते हैं वो रियल तो होता नहीं है। सो प्रोफेशनल से पूछने में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल था।
तो कैसा रहा आज का सेशन?
सही था मैम।
थैंक यू। Abhilasha, you are from Jamia Hamdard?
Yes, ma'am. It's my first class today, and I found it very interactive, and the teacher was very good with the students. It was a wonderful experience.
Thank you. Are you studying in Jamia Hamdard?
No, I graduated from RML Hospital, College of Nursing.
Okay, so this was your first session of forensic science?
Yes.
Okay, did you like the session?
Yes, it was very knowledgeful and it was very interesting.
What all did you learn in today's session?
I came to know what are the scopes in this field and what I can do in my career furthermore.
Okay, thank you.
Zareen Khatun.
You are studying in Jamia Hamdard?
It's my 4th year here.
Okay, which course?
MBA, Master Administration in Business.
Okay, so do you belong from India only?
Yeah.
Okay, you are Indian. Okay, so this was your first session?
Yeah, this was my first session. It was a bit interesting for me because I was really prone to have psychology. Like, I'm really interested in psychology and it's all about forensic psychology, so it was really good for me.
Okay, so what all did you learn in the session today?
I learned about the criminal minds, I learned about the forensic psychology, I learned about how criminals did crime, I learned many things. It was interesting.
Okay, so did you like the session?
Yeah, I really liked it.
Okay, thank you.
Pursuing BLLB from Jamia only.
Okay, so you are a student of Jamia Hamdard. So was this your first session?
No, that was my 3rd session, I guess.
Okay, so you have attended all the sessions till now. Okay, so what was the highlight of today's session and did you like the session?
Yeah, it was like amazing. I learned many new things. Like basically, I'm a field of legal profession, so my aim is to become a criminal lawyer. So all in all, it will help me in somehow cross-examination. The sir did the practical, which he mentioned that after asking some depressed questions, the BP rate go high and low. So it will help me a lot in my further studies to investigate and further cross-examination.
Okay, so your experience was good?
Yeah, it's like 10 out of 10.
Okay, thank you.
Here today we learnt about the psychological criminology, in which we studied how criminals behave, how sociopaths and psychopaths behave. How psychopaths and sociopaths behave. It is very important to understand this, as our justice system believes that when we catch criminal, it is to put them to rehabilitation than to punish them.